Hello students, welcome again to your GK class. Students, today I am going to start a new chapter, that is Nature's Fury, okay? Nature's Fury. Many a times nature's fury occurs. This causes great damage to life and property, okay? So first, nature's fury. What is the meaning of nature's fury? What is the meaning of nature's fury? Now, nature's fury refers to sudden change in natural disasters that are unexpected, okay, like tsunami, earthquake, landslide, volcano, floods, okay. So, what is the meaning of nature's fury now? Nature's fury refers to sudden change, okay, sudden change in natural disasters that are unexpected, okay. And the examples, that are the example, look at the examples, okay. So can you write the names of these calamities? Can you write the names of these calamities? Here you will write the name of these calamities, okay. So first, this is, look at the picture, this is called flood, okay. FLOOD, flood. This is the picture of drought, okay. DROUGHT, drought, okay. And this is very easy, you all know that. This is volcano, 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 okay. Next, this one, this was tsunami, okay. And the tsunami spelling TSUNAMI, okay. TSUNAMI, clear. Next, this one, this is the earthquake, okay. EARTHQUAKE, QUAKE, earthquake, okay. And next, this is landslide, LAND, land, SLIDE, landslide, clear. So again I am repeating this. First one is flood, FLOOD, flood. Next, number two is drought, DROUGHT, drought. Number 3, volcano, VOLCANO, volcano. Number 4, tsunami, TSUNAMI, tsunami. Next, earthquake, EARTHQUAKE, earthquake. Number 6, landslide, LAND, land, SLIDE, landslide. Okay, so you will write the name of these calamities in your book. Okay, and also learn. Okay, now take out your aptitude book. Aptitude book, page number 30. Okay, completing figures. Here an incomplete design in given. Okay, in these are the incomplete, in which a part is left blank. So here an incomplete design is given in which a part is left blank. Okay, the candidate, that means you, has to select the answer. Okay, you will select the answer from the options which fits into the blank space so that the main figure gets completed. Okay, understand what I'm saying? Here an incomplete design is given in which a part is left blank. Okay, left blank. So and you will select the answer, from these options which fits into the blank space. Okay, that means here blank space so that the main figure gets completed, because now it is incomplete. Okay, but you will complete it. Okay, with the help of this option. So first one, look at this picture. So if this one, yes, so the right option is A. Okay, now it is completed. Clear? Number 4, it is very easy. Yes, clear? Now complete. Now this one, last, number 8. If we'll join this figure here in this blank, so it's completed. Okay, it is fully completed now. So I've completed 1, 4 and number 8, and rest of the problems you will do yourself. Clear? Now page number 31. Page number 31, mirror hubs. Match the hub image with the image you will get if you keep a mirror along the dotted line. It's very easy, student. Okay, it's very easy. So just one I will do now. Okay, this one is matching with C. Okay, like this you will do yourself this matching. Okay, it's very easy. So your homework is, you will complete page number 30 and 31 in your aptitude book, and in GK book you will complete page number 43. Okay, and also learn the name of the calamities. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Thank you.